Do you know that you can start earning $1,000 to $2,000 from dropshipping in the first few months? For a number of reasons, starting a dropshipping business is appealing. You don't have to be concerned about inventory control. You don't have to be concerned about product delivery. In fact, your sole responsibility is to receive orders, sell stuff, and earn a profit. Isn't it simple? Unfortunately, it's not that straightforward, and there are always annoying quirks with every business plan that sounds too good to be true. A dropshipping business appears to be a wonderful concept in theory because it is inherently scalable and does not require a huge initial investment. However, when you dwell a little deeper, you'll discover plenty of issues to be aware of. Most people think that starting a dropshipping business is simple, but there's more to it than meets the eye. Do not fear, because I've dedicated this video to teaching you everything you need to know in order to be successful in the dropshipping business. Hey everybody, my name is Kyle, and I run the Whiz channel where I teach you how to make money online in the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell. So whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you can be updated and can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you ever have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy. Just leave a comment down below. Now let's get into the video. First, let's define what dropshipping is. Dropshipping is an e-commerce business concept in which an online retail seller sells things without keeping inventory. When a consumer places an order, the online retailer buys the item from a wholesaler who then ships the order directly to the customer. As a result, the online business owner, you, doesn't have to worry about storing physical inventory or shipping and handling. Because all products are purchased on demand with no minimum order amount, there are no upfront inventory expenditures. As a result, using a free open-source shopping cart like WooCommerce or Shopify, you can start a dropshipping business for less than $3. You only need a website and free credit card processing to start taking orders right away. One sweet thing about this business model is that there's no age restriction. You can enter into the dropshipping business as long as you know how to operate a mobile phone and PC. Now, how do you start your own dropshipping business? Step 1. Open your dropshipping store website. Because there are so many easy-to-use choices accessible nowadays, setting up your website is actually the simplest portion of the overall dropshipping process. Overall, your e-commerce platform choice will be influenced by your budget, the features you require, and your level of technical expertise. Here are my top 3 dropshipping e-commerce systems to save you time. Number 1. Shopify. Shopify is a fully hosted shopping cart platform that takes care of everything for you and is the quickest method to get up and running. Shopify will give you a secure website and free built-in credit card processing as soon as you join up, so you can start taking orders right away. The biggest disadvantage of having a Shopify site is that it is the most expensive option, but you can get up and running quickly even if you have no prior experience with technology. Number 2. BigCommerce. BigCommerce, like Shopify, is a powerful, fully hosted platform that is simple to use. While it isn't as well known as Shopify, you get more value for your money and better customer service. And number 3. WooCommerce. Because the software is completely free, WooCommerce is the most popular shopping cart on the planet. The disadvantage is that you must set everything up yourself and host your own website. However, the $2.95 price tag is tough to beat. The next step is to look for profitable products to sell. Because dropshipping has a lower profit margin, the best products to sell are those with a higher price tag. Here are some pointers to keep in mind. Number 1. Choose a market with a lot of related products. Cross-selling is the key to running a successful online business. For example, you can sell cooking utensils and an outdoor thermometer to customers who purchase a barbecue grill. The importance of repeat business cannot be underestimated. Number 2. Sell products with an average order size of at least $50. Because margins are tighter, you'll want to make sure that you're making a good profit per sale. Number 3. Sell timeless products instead of products that will become obsolete in a short amount of time. After all, the more frequently a product changes hands, the more work you'll have updating your product listing and maintaining your website. So avoid selling electronic-related things, such as iPhone cases, because they change so quickly. You should also ask yourself these questions before picking a product to sell. Number 1. Can a product be personalized? People are always prepared to spend more on customized goods, so choosing a product that allows for customization is in your best interests. Number 2. Are the products consumable? Consumable products such as makeup, cleansers, and food are valued since they encourage repeat business. You can even set up a subscription-based service where your customers are automatically supplied refills at the start of each month. Number 3. Do you know where to find your target market? It's considerably easier to find and market to buyers if you sell a product with a dedicated blog or Facebook fan page. You can easily create content for the products. Search engine optimization is critical for a dropshipping store to get free web traffic. In general, the more material you can create, the more traffic you'll get from search engines. The next step is to find dropship suppliers. Because dropshipping is so popular and the internet is filled with con artists and scammers, you'll need to understand how to detect a fake wholesaler first. To begin with, a true wholesaler will never charge a monthly fee for access to their product catalog. Genuine dropship suppliers are essentially distributors with the purpose of selling their products in bulk, rather than maintaining a monthly membership site. Second, a true dropship supplier will never offer their own products as wholesale costs to the end consumer. Remember that a wholesaler primary customer is a retail store. Therefore, competing with their own customers would be counterproductive. Calling the manufacturer and asking for a list of wholesale distributors is the simplest approach to identify a legitimate dropship supplier. You can then contact the distributor directly and inquire whether they are willing to dropship after you have this list. Most wholesalers carry a wide range of products from a variety of manufacturers, which is convenient. As a result, if you can secure a large distributor, you'll almost always have immediate access to a vast catalog of things to stock in your store. However, forming a relationship with a distributor can go either way, so be prepared. Most legitimate suppliers prefer to work with legitimate retailers, so be sure you have everything in order before contacting them. It can be beneficial to have a prototype website up and operating to demonstrate that you're serious. Because at the end of the day, you have to demonstrate to your suppliers that you are the real deal and that you can move their product effectively. Now, this is probably the most important step, so pay attention. You need to drive traffic to your dropshipping store. The best and cheapest approach to get traffic to a dropshipping company is through social media. You should use Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Facebook, and Pinterest to promote yourself. In addition to social media, search engine optimization can help increase traffic. You may get organic Google traffic for your products by targeting keywords that people are actively searching for. Make sure you spend a lot of time on one traffic source before moving on to the next, regardless of the marketing platform you use. Make sure to collect both emails and SMS phone numbers as you produce sales and leads for your store. Email marketing and SMS marketing allow you to bring customers back to your online store repeatedly until they are ready to buy. You can easily create a sustainable e-commerce business by recruiting new clients through social media and maintaining existing customers using email and SMS. Once you're able to increase and maintain traffic on your website, you'll begin to get orders, and just like that, you'll begin to make money from your dropshipping business.